Hello friends and welcome! Today I thought I'd show you how to make a fabric braid for your plush doll. So let's get started! So I'm going to start with a fabric tube that I sewed down one side. I'm using Minky for this. I'm going to use hemostats to turn that right side out. And for reference, this is about 1 inch wide and 6 inches long plus seam allowance. And do that to 2 other tubes. Now we got 3. I'm just gonna connect them all together at the top and hold them together with a clip. And then pretty much just braid them as you would normally braid your hair or something. And just in case you don't know how to braid, I'll go over the steps. So you'll take the middle and put it over one side. And then we'll take the back one and put it right through the middle of those two. Then take one, put it under that back one, and take the other side and also put that under through the middle. And you can repeat this and braid it again until you get your desired look. And what I'm gonna do is have one end sticking out, so if you wanted to, you can make one tube a little longer than the others. Sometimes it ends up being longer than the other two just by the nature of braiding. But once I'm satisfied, I'm going to stitch that all in place. And then I have my bottom piece that I left out of the braid, and I'm going to have that be like the bottom of the braid. So just going to take my scissors and cut little strips. And I'm going to add a little tie on here. This one's made of fleece. You can also stitch this down to have it more secure if you want. So I'm just going to cut the ends here into a shape I want. Now I'm just going to finish up the top, take the clip off, and what I'm going to do is fold the top over so that it's not just a raw edge on the top. And I'm just sewing this down with a whip stitch. And voila! There's your braid, and now you can sew it right onto your doll's head. So that was a quick video today, but I hope it was helpful. You can check out the pattern for this doll in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!